What's going on YouTube? It's Vinny here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do an oil change on your Toro TimeCutter zero-turn lawnmower. Alright, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need 2.5 quarts of full synthetic engine oil. I just got the Toro brand. You're going to need an oil filter. Here is the part number. You're going to need an oil funnel and a pair of oil filter pliers. Then you're also going to need some rags and preferably a pair of gloves. And you're also going to need a drain pan of some sort. Link will be in the description for all of this. All right, now the engine on my lawnmower is a commercial V-twin 24.5 horsepower 708 cc. So we're going to go ahead and begin. All right, first thing I like to do is grab a rag. We're going to slide it under this oil drain hose, and under the oil filter. All right, next step is to remove the oil drain hose. Now sometimes if this is your first oil change, it'll be a little stubborn and tough to get off. So you can get a pair of pliers and hold them down here on an angle to get around it. Gently squeeze the hose and kind of twist it just a little bit. Don't squeeze these tight because this is just attached to a piece of plastic. But what you want to do is break the hose free from the plastic without breaking the plastic. So I wiggled mine free. I'm gonna undo the hose out of this plastic holder. And as you can see, it's a little tight. And it should come off like that. All right, then I'm just gonna lower the hose and the oil should start draining. All right, next what you'll wanna do while the oil's draining is you're gonna wanna take off your oil filter. So just get your oil filter pliers, come from up top, make sure the rag's down there, and you're just gonna break it free like so. And then you can get your hand in there and start spinning it off. If you spin it too fast, it's gonna throw oil everywhere, so just kind of go slow. And then as you disconnect the filter, you're gonna hold it with the open side up, because the oil filter is going to be filled with oil. So you want to hold it like that. And we're just going to put that in our drain pan. All right, next you're going to get your new oil filter, pull the plastic off, and you're going to want to get some of this oil and put it around the O-ring. You just want to wipe down any extra oil. Then you get your new oil filter. And you're just gonna tighten it on there by hand. You don't wanna over tighten these. Again, wipe any extra oil that was there. All right, now while the rest of my oil drains out, I just wanna quickly show you guys. So since I wasn't on a leveled surface, I had to improvise to have the oil drain more. So what I ended up doing was I got a small jack and I jacked it up from here. And then I got my big jack and just put it under the tire. Now another way is you could just get a 2x4 or something and drive over it and put it under this tire, and that should tilt the lawnmower enough to have the oil drain. It also helps if you hold the hose down, it'll drain a little faster. Once the oil is mostly drained, you'll see that it's just basically dripping. So what you guys can do is get a rag, wipe the tip of it, and you're gonna slide it back up on to that plastic notch first, and then we'll just slide it in the blue clip like so. And I believe that metal piece should be over top of this blue clip, so if it's not, then just try to slide the hose higher up onto the plastic plug. Wipe down any extra oil if there is any. All right, next you're just gonna take your oil dipstick, clean it with a rag, place that to the side for a minute, stick your funnel in, and fill it up 2.5 quarts. All right, once you're done filling it, remove your funnel, And get your dipstick, put it in there and close it, take it back out, and double check your level. All right, that's pretty much it. Woo, it's hot. All right guys, that's pretty much it. That's how you do an oil change on your Toro TimeCutter zero-turn lawnmower. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. If this video helped you out, please leave me a like. And if you guys are looking for more of this kind of content, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.